In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Canva designs. If you've been using Canva for a while, your dashboard can start to feel a bit cluttered. Old projects, test designs, and files you don't need anymore can make it harder to find the work that actually matters. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of deleting designs from your Canva account so you can keep things clean and organized. First, open your web browser and go to Canva's website. Then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Canva dashboard. This is the page where you see your recent designs, templates, and any folders you've created. Take a moment to locate the designs you want to remove. They might appear under Recent Designs or inside one of your folders, depending on how you've organized your work. Now, to start selecting a design for deletion, move your mouse over the design's thumbnail. As you hover over it, you'll notice a small white checkbox appear, usually in one of the corners of the design preview. At first, this box will be unchecked and empty. Click on this white checkbox. When you do, it should fill in or show a check mark, which means that design is now selected. The nice thing about this method is that you can select more than one design at a time. If you want to delete several designs in one go, just repeat the same action on each thumbnail. Hover over it, wait for the white checkbox to appear, and click to select it. Once you've selected at least one design, a new toolbar or menu will appear near the top or bottom of the screen. In that menu, look for the trash icon. It usually looks like a small trash can. Click on this trash icon, and Canva will understand that you want to remove the selected designs. After clicking the trash icon, Canva will show a confirmation option labeled Move to Trash. This is there to make sure you don't delete something by mistake. Go ahead and click Move to Trash to confirm. The selected designs will be moved out of your main dashboard and into Canva's trash area, effectively clearing them from your active workspace. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Canva designs and tidied up your dashboard, making it easier to focus on the projects that really matter.